got stuck on the crease. Front foot not going anywhere. And this time it goes to the keeper. A good catch by MS Dhoni. Stuck at the crease, neither front, neither back. Bhuvneshwar Kumar struck.
Oh yes, gone.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar, but that should be no surprise. Seam position is beautiful. Got to go down as a loose shot. That is a poor shot from Robson. It's dropped.
Oh, is there a glove there? I think there is, isn't there? Yes. Just nipped back in.
Terrific bowling from Chami. Some ball still doing something. Get out of the way, glove, easy catch to Ravinder Jadeja. Terrific bowling from Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Need to leave it, Ian Bell. Look at India needed.
Oh, I tell you what, is that a strangle? Finger goes up through to the end of the day. India's task to try and get rid of him. There's that little nick. You can see the little white mark on Hotspot there. And for Bhuvneshwar Kumar, well, not quite how he might have planned to take his wicket, but he'll grab that wicket as Dhoni grabs the catch. That's a good catch too from him.
Balled him straight through the gate. 5 for Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
England lose their 8th wicket. Good seam position onto the pad and hitting the off stump. 5 wickets for Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Edged and gone this time.
And whereas the first shot was played with control and some elan, this is just a misjudgment. Change of length, got cramped space there. No danger of that, Nick.